Truck
up,
cooking
y'all?
would be
Truckers Life, and we back with another one,
Truckerslife78
baby.
lamb chops with
Today's gonna be
gravy
something
over
pretty quick and
mashed
simple.
potatoes with asparagus.
We're gonna take these beautiful asparagus spears, cut them in half, put it in there with about a quarter stick of butter. This is gonna be pretty simple, y'all. This is my favorite way to make asparagus. We're just doing butter, as you see, and lemon pepper. Oh, wrong side. We need a good amount of lemon pepper. Let it saute with that lemon pepper, as y'all see, and we're just gonna cover it up and let it cook. That's it. Okay, and for the meat, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all just a minute. Hold on real quick, hold on. We got this, we got this, some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. We're just gonna take the pan, olive oil at the bottom. And y'all, ready? We doing lamb chops, baby. And like I said before, I like the American lamb. I don't do that Australian lamb. It's too gamey for me. It's got that weird aftertaste. I can't do it. But hey, hello. Okay, we gonna grab this lamb. Let me bring y'all down here. There we go. We got this beautiful lamb right here, y'all. Boom. Put it right on there. We're gonna take some Himalayan pink salt. Salt. Pepper. Pepper. And some garlic. Right on top. And of course, you gotta put some in the olive oil. See? There we go. Put it on that bag right there. And we're gonna flip them and do the same thing. I'll let you. And just to add a little kick, I got some habanero sriracha. Just to add a little kick and kind of help caramelize it up a little bit. I'm only doing one side because I don't want it to be super hot. And then we cover it. And we'll be back. Alright, y'all, we're going to take these off real quick. And what we're going to do is we're going to deglaze this pan. Because I put some butter on top of it and it drizzled to the bottom, and I strained it out so I can get like a little browning on the outside. I'm going to set this up here. And I'm going to take that same butter I put it in, and I'm going to scoop it into this pan that it cooked in. As you can see with the garlic chunks in it. There we go. We'll put that down right there. We're going to grab some flour. We're going to put this flour in here. We're going to mix it around, mix it around, mix it around. Get this to where it mixes in with that butter and garlic. And we're going to brown this. Alright, y'all. Time for this beautiful bone broth. Beef, of course. Put that in there. And then we're gonna mix this up and get it a little thicker. Mix that up. Alright, y'all. Last step is we're gonna put these lamb chops back into this here gravy. I'm just gonna wet all sides of it. You wanna, because as you know, there's garlic chunks in here. And we're just gonna do it like that. And we're gonna cover it. Alright, y'all, it's time to plate up. Let's check it out. You see the mashed potatoes? Just got them done. They got a lot of butter in them. So they don't stick. They didn't stick. They're nice and creamy. You grab these lamb chops. And grab these. Let me move this. Hold on, I'll be right. Oh, hold on. Had to unplug it so it don't start burning nothing. What you got? Lamb chop right there. I'm only gonna use 2 tonight because I still want to eat tomorrow and not have to cook. Because tomorrow's gonna be a long day. I gotta put up about 700 miles tomorrow. And then we're gonna pour some of the gravy on top. There we go. There we go, y'all. That's that. Then the asparagus is already done. Boom, I'm just gonna eat it out of there. That's dinner, y'all. That's it. And we gone. But hey, this trucker's life, and I'm gone.